Hello, today I will show you how to convert video to audio. I have a video file prepared that I will convert. I'll open the video and show you a little preview of the video. Let's open the picture we want to resize. There are two options for resize. I will use VLC to convert video to audio. Under the Media tab, select the Convert action. Next, you need to add the video file you want to convert with the Add button. Next, you need to select the Convert button action. At Profile you need to specify the audio format. I choose MP3. Next you need to specify the path where the video will be converted to audio. The name of the converted file must be specified. Next, press the Start button and the conversion process will begin. Audio file is available. I will open the audio file and show that the conversion process is successful. You want to resize. Second option is to resize it to a file.